Roadkill entertains. Steel going up. Ram honors farmers. All right now on FCA Replay. The weather was perfect, the drag racing was great, and more than 47,000 people celebrated the culture of performance cars at the 5th annual Roadkill Nights Powered by Dodge. More than 120 street-legal cars ran the specially prepped 8th Mile drag strip on legendary Woodward Avenue, competing for a cash purse totaling $30,000. The quickest Dodge cars in both the small and large tire categories also took home $5,000 each. In addition to thrill rides and high-performance Dodge Chargers and Challengers, the Car Festival also showcased more than 300 custom and classic cars on display, freestyle motocross, flamethrowers, and wheel stander exhibitions. The highlight for many were the exhibition runs by Mopar-backed NHRA drivers Matt Hagan and Leah Pritchett in their 11,000-plus horsepower drag cars. Speaking of performance, Dodge has unveiled the most powerful Charger so far with the 2020 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Widebody Daytona 50th Anniversary Edition. The limited production car's supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi Hellcat V8 is rated at 717 horsepower and 650 pounds-feet of torque. Production of the 2020 Charger Daytona is limited to 501 units, mirroring the NASCAR-required production of the iconic 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona it honors. Dealer orders for the 2020 Charger Daytona open this fall, and cars will arrive in showrooms early next year. The first piece of steel went up this week for the new 800,000-square-foot paint shop being built on the site of the former Mack Avenue Engine Complex in Detroit. The start of paint shop construction is a milestone for the $1.6 billion program to convert two existing Mack Avenue facilities into a new assembly plant. That plant will build an all-new, 3-row, full-size Jeep SUV and the next-generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. The new plant will create 3,850 jobs, with the first vehicles expected to roll off the line by the end of next year. Ram has kicked off its second annual Ram Ag season with a new ad, Done Right, which celebrates the selfless commitment to hard work that our nation's farmers make each day. The video features 3 real-life, family-owned and operated Michigan farms and ranches, taking viewers through the farmers' daily lives. There are 30- and 60-second versions of the commercial. 3 additional 60-second vignettes of each farming family and their stories will follow in the coming weeks via Ram's official YouTube channel. Those are this week's top stories on FCA Replay. Reporting for FCA Digital Media, I'm Dale Jewett.